Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize price tracking on TradingView, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing price tracking on TradingView, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the TradingView website by typing www.tradingview.com into the address bar. If you already have an account, click on the login button at the top right corner. For new users, select the Join for Free option to create an account. Once logged in, locate the chart window on the main dashboard. In the top left corner of the chart, click on the symbol search bar. Type in the name of the asset you wish to track. Select the correct asset from the drop-down list that appears. Next, find the Alerts tab on the right pane of the chart. Click on the Create Alert button to open the alert settings. In the alert options, set your desired parameters for price tracking. Choose the price level at which you want to receive notifications. Adjust the frequency settings according to your preferences. Make sure to select your preferred notification method, such as email or app notification. Once all settings are in place, click Create to finalize your alert. You should see a confirmation message that your alert has been established. To manage your alerts, go back to the Alerts tab. Here, you can edit or delete any existing alerts as needed. Finally, ensure you have notifications enabled on your device to receive updates in real time. You are now set to track prices effectively on TradingView. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.